1993 Correct Craft Nautique Excel with barefoot Nautique graphics on it. This is the open bow, sitting in a silver cloud Holland deck with a blue main stripe, gray pinstriping, all fresh as of last year on this thing. Teak platform around the back, nice big sun pad. This is a newer interior, I guess I should say a non-original interior that is in excellent condition. This boat is pretty well dialed with 1,276 hours on the 351. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check out the interior and features on this Excel. All right, on the inside of this 93 Excel, you can see we have a color matched interior. This is not the original interior. It does have the Correct Craft logos on the seats. This interior, I don't know. I might have to refer back to our last video. I don't believe we know exactly how old this interior is, but it's in pretty good shape. It's not perfect, but it looks a heck of a lot better than what would have been if this was the original interior, typically. Especially with the amount of hours that this boat has. Starting at the back, we have a teak platform, a nice big sun pad, which I'm currently standing on. Vinyl in great shape all the way around. Do have the ski pylon in the center, and a nice upgrade somebody did on this is the SeaDek gunnel pads all the way around. You have this nice traction. You're stepping in and out of the boat, and it's all perfectly fit to the gunnel shape on the Excel, which looks really good. Do have gray carpet. This carpet over here in the corner, which we'll see in a second, is starting to peel up on this corner, and we're going to put a new piece of carpet down right here. But gray and blue accent stripes to match. So look at the whole sun pad. Back seat's in great condition. Close look at this embroidery, Correct Craft logos. Seats all in good shape as far as the seat base. You have a small nick here in the corner. We open up, there is storage underneath and a battery switch. This does have a power hatch, so let me flip that up real fast. See that working how it should. Awesome old school Correct Craft logo underneath. Fiberglass underside, I think that's awesome. And then underneath we have a PCM 351. Surface is fresh on here. Does have a nice mooring cover and storage on either side. We sold this boat about a little over a year ago and did some tune-up work and whatnot at the time. And so really we just did a basic maintenance on this to get it ready for sale this time around. Close that down. This does have a newer stereo as well. Has a Clarion stereo, so you have 4 interior speakers to go with that. This nice simple head unit up on the dash here. It's got Bluetooth, AM, FM, and is all that you could want. It looks nice tucked into the dash there. Replaced one of the 2 speedos that would have originally been there. As you can see, this has a free gauge kit, so everything on the dash has been updated, except we have the original hour meter showing 1,276 hours. We sold this last spring right at 1,200 hours, so previous owner put about 76 on it and traded it back in. We got a newer boat. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn the engine over so you can hear it fire. Fires right up. Engine temps coming up. Tack. We are floating down the current here, so you see a little bit on the GPS speed, and our depth meter working, fuel gauge working. Does have a newer style steering wheel on it. Driver's seat is in excellent condition. Love seat, good shape. There is a small tear down here in the lower corner. Otherwise good. The dash pod is gel coat in black, and you can see it's showing its age. Has that chalky look to it. Little storage glove box here. Open up underneath, and we have storage going all the way up under the bow here. We open up our floor hatch. Cooler. Batteries are in the back. There we go. Sipa mirror up top. We do have the windshield that opens up into the bow here, and bow seating is in excellent condition. One full seat base there. Everything looks good. It used to have a snap-on bow cover, and the snaps are still on the boat. You're gonna see a few cracks in the gel from where they've drilled. These old boats, they flex, and from years of being on the water, the gel coat gets a little bit more brittle, and the flex cracks the gel. So this is purely cosmetic, but again, our motto is to show it if it's there. That's why I'm showing it. So again, this carpet here is going to be replaced. You have a little wrinkle there, but we're going to leave that. Let's go take this Excel with barefoot graphics for its test drive. See what you think.
1993 correct craft Nautique Excel. Those barefoot graphics on the side. If you have any questions about this 1993 Correct Craft Nautique Excel, give us a call at N3 Boatworks, 317-845.